Yeah.
Hi guys! So for the continuation of our DIY wedding projects, for today we are going to make DIY table numbers and signages using old picture frames and printed labels. So for this DIY, of course, we will need some old picture frames. So in here, if you have a lot of old picture frames at home, it means that you don't have to pay anything. And some printed papers. So I've made these ones from canva.com. Just check the website and you will find a lot of decorations, a lot of designs in there, and you will really enjoy using it. And lastly, to cover up our old picture frames is this spray paint. So it's an enamel spray paint that I've got from Cheapest Chips, and it's only $4 each. Now I'm showing you the table numbers, the signages that we have used, such as the photo guestbook signage, the share the love hashtags, and the card and well wishes label. So I have created them through canva.com and I have saved them, pasted them on a Word document to print. Now we are just printing them on a special paper, like a thick paper. Specifically, I've used the 200 GSM paper in here just to give a thickness to our labels. And this is just all of our printed labels. Keeping our papers aside, we will now start coating our frames using the enamel spray paint. So just make sure that you also spray the sides, and you might need to have 2 to 3 coatings for this. It really depends on the material of the frame. So if you have a wooden frame, it's just easy for you to have, but if you have a plastic frame, you might need to have 2 or 3 coatings. These are our frames after we have sprayed them 2 to 3 times. So here we have this sprayed picture frame and our numbers. As you may notice, I have different sizes of papers because the paper should depend on the size of your picture frame. So before printing them out, you have to measure first the dimension of the frame so you would know how big or small your printed numbers are going to be. There you go. I hope you learned a lot from this tutorial, and thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit like, and press the notification bell for the update of my upcoming DIY wedding projects.